Not many people know about Juneteenth because it was never covered in schools.
All I heard in school is that people like me were slaves. And I'm thinking, are you serious? And I just was ashamed of that.
How a narrative is being told about your country, about your history is very important.
In order to move forward, you have to be able to acknowledge, recognize, and respect the history, the full history.
You know, people talk about the slaves. No, they were enslaved. It wasn't a job they were getting paid to do. It wasn't something they volunteered to do. Black people at that time were enslaved. They were property.
These conversations are very transparent. You have to have that ability to be open, to receive constructive criticism, to be able to hold yourself accountable.
Admitting mistakes can begin to heal and to begin to heal particularly wounds of others that have suffered the consequences of other people's actions.
But at the same time, I'm a part of this history. And I want for us as a society to continue to move forward and celebrate what has been so that we can really fully appreciate where we're going and what's to come.
I really feel that I am my ancestors' wildest dreams because it fathoms me at times that I am even in this place of power and position as a PhD candidate. Being able to think about that in the era of when Juneteenth took place was not even on their mind.
We want to be able to celebrate, our ancestors and not, always look at them from this deficit mindset, but to celebrate them from this asset approach. And so I think that is important to recognize for Juneteenth as well. It's not only a day of reckoning, but it's a day of celebration too.